Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot pre-market analysis. Let's deep dive straight into key insights. Today, we'll start with S&P 500. We have quite a lot to cover today. So with S&P 500, we see the clearly bullish sign right here. The price is trading above 9 EMA. Most candles are closing above 9 EMA, continuously green candle right in this area. So market is bullish overall. But what we are looking at, the problem, we are the problem finder. This supply particularly was high supply, and next supply, look at this one, what's going on here. The supply is getting weaker and weaker. When you see this kind of trend, what will happen? There will be another supply somewhere right here, even weaker than the previous one. Means there will be somewhere sideline a small supply in this area. Then what will happen? Further upside, means anywhere towards $639. But what's the outcome of this weakening supply? When you see the supply is continuously weak, like from this to the next one to the next one, what will happen? Moving forward, the supply will become strong, dominant. So there will be a little bit of supply right here, another upside, and then boom, there will be a sharp drop. So anything which become weaker and weaker, suddenly it will become strong, and the buying side, which is demand, which is getting stronger and stronger, will become weak in the reversal area. So what range I'm looking at trading from? Still looking for 575 to 639. This is the area that we are looking at. We are right in the center. We are not near to the 639. We are not close to the 575. So this is not the area that we'll be trading. We will clearly ignore S&P 500 trade right here. 639 area will be shorting. 575, we will be looking for a long area. Sooner or later, it will drop because this supply is giving you the indication. What will happen? Few candle down the line, you will see a Marubazu awareness candle right here in 1 or 2 candles next, and I'll show you in next couple of days. Okay, so S&P 500, we are not looking to open a trade. We're just monitoring this right now. We are not looking to open a trade. We closed our short position for the profit in this drop, and we are continuing holding our put spread, which we have converted into neutral loss position. So we are not going to lose anything on that put spread. Okay, moving forward to SMCI. Right here, we have been bullish since right in this area, in 32 area. We were looking for 47.80. Our first price target has been hit. 47.80 has been hit. We are still holding short put for $65 and long put for $39. We'll continue trading. Then second price target we are looking for 51.53. So $51.53. Okay, so another $2-3 upside, and then the final price target we are looking for $60. After $60, we will not trade SMCI. We'll be out of this position since this entire cup pattern, if you look at, will be completed. If I show you right in this area. So we'll not be trading after this. Once the price reaches to $60, we are out, because then if this cup is in formation here, right, there will be a handle, cup and handle pattern, and the price will drop back into 47, 48 area before making towards another higher of $60. So once it reaches $60, we are out of SMCI, and nicely wait patiently and watch for the drop and correction in this area. Okay. Moving forward, GME, since we call the bottom at 21.54, we have been going upward. We are looking for first price target 24.71, so another $1.10 upside. So first price target 24.71, second price target 21.68, third price target we are looking for 35 area, and the final maximum we are looking at, it's not going to $200,000-$300,000. Okay, that's a total nonsense. Maximum it will go to $41. So this next leg up, which is wave 5, beginning right here, is $41 maximum. So we'll continue trading GameStop all the way to 35 to 37 area. We are not looking for 41 area to trade. So 35 area right in this area will be out. The previous high will not trade after the previous high points. Okay. Moving forward, Amazon, we have been trading since 187 and 198 area. We have closed a multiple profit on this one. We'll continue trading. Amazon is heading 237. Since 196, 198, I mentioned 237 is the price target. We'll continue trading this one. We still have $14 upside left right in this area. We'll continue trading. Every drop on Amazon, we are a buyer. Every drop, just one red candle, we will buy. Every red candle comes right here, we will buy that. Okay. So we are a buyer on Amazon. We'll continue holding whatever position. Right now, we are not holding. Okay. So all positions were closed on Friday, the last week. Okay, so what we are looking at, we are looking for a little bit of correction and then buy again. Every single time the market is red, Amazon pull back a little bit, we'll go back in the Amazon. Continue trading this unless 237. Okay, so there is a lot of upside left right here. Tesla, right in this area, we have been, no one has been more bearish than me on Tesla since I closed my position at 355 area, right in this area, 355.59, and right in this area. Since then I have been bearish. This is wave A, B, and we are looking for further downside on wave C. What is the range we are looking at? We are looking for range 240.67. This is the price I'm looking for my open and long position, where I'll be going all in 240 area. We have a Q2 delivery coming up, and the number will be really bad. Okay, there will be a 20% decline in the delivery. I'm not sure how the market will react to that one, whether it's already been factored in this drop, the poor delivery numbers, or not sure yet, okay, how the market will react to this 20% decline in the delivery. But what I'm looking at, I'm looking for this range to trade. So we generally trade our pivot point. What we know what we are doing. 240.67 we are long, and 4.49.33, $449 we will go short, start shorting this stock. So right now we do not have a position. We are holding our position on TSLA, which is 2x leverage of Tesla. We'll continue trading those spread. But to go all in on a Tesla, I'm looking for a price anywhere from 240, 273 below, right in this area. This is where I'm a buyer, right in this area. So this is the area that I want to buy, where this institution order block is, where the 71 million shares were purchased by the institution, right here in this area. If I show you the number right here, 71 million. So where the institution has purchased 71 million share in 240 area, this is where I want to buy. I will not be buying anything before that. Okay, so continue holding. Definitely, if you want to buy, go for in the money covered call, not at the money, not OTM. It's time that you go in the money covered call. Basically, there is a lot of arbitrage you can do on bi-weekly on Tesla right now. So if you're looking, let's say every 100 share, you're looking for $500, $600 bi-weekly, perfect stock right in this area. So bi-weekly arbitrage, a perfect trade on Tesla. Rivian, we have taken a long position right in this area. What we are looking at with this previous falling wedge, if you look at the falling wedge and then the breakout. So we are exactly repeating this pattern, but we are looking in a smaller scale. It's a contraction of pattern. So this, what we are looking at, towards $17.15. So we are looking for a breakout upside. It has been bouncing off 200 EMA right here. So look here, multiple time it's holding 200 EMA strongly. So what we are looking at, 1326 downside, that's where our position is. We are not holding the share. We have shorted the put for $12 and $12.50 for January 27. Free money to collect from the market. We are looking for 17.15 and maximum upside is $20. 17.15, we will reach to the max profit on our short put and we'll be closing all the position in this area. Okay, so we'll continue shorting the put in this area, right? In 13, anything 13.50 and below, we'll continue shorting more puts and collect premium from the market. And 17.15, we are out of all position and exit, because that will also make the double top right here, the equal high. So point number one, point number two, double top, and we'll be out of this position right here. Mara, we are holding our share for a long time. We have booked profit almost, I don't know, maybe 1,000 times on this one, and we'll continue trading this one. We are not giving up our share. We are going covered for 17.24. This is the area that we are looking to go covered. Again, sell the covered call in this area only. Right now, we are uncovered. We are holding the share. Our average is way too low if we take out the profit of the average cost. Okay, we'll continue trading this one. When it comes to Mara, when I go to the Bitcoin, then I have something to cover up, some exceptional details. Okay, so let's go to the Google next one. So Google, my all-in point will be 140.53. This is the area that I'll be buying. However, the stock is bullish. So those who are holding Google and want to trade Google, hold for 269.67. This is the area that you want to cut your position, 270 area. 270 area, you are out of Google. It's bullish. We are looking for wave C upside right here in this area. So this becomes the wave A. If I show you, this is something that we are looking at. Why it's bullish. So this is what we are looking. This is wave A. No. Okay. A. Okay. This was A. Sorry. 1 second. So this is, hold on. All right. So this is what we were looking. This was the point B right here. And the wave C will be higher upside like this. Okay. So what do we need to do at? Clearly bullish. The price is bouncing off 200 EMA above the 9 EMA. Clearly bullish. We are looking for 269 upside. There is a lot of money. Fundamentally, very strong company. P ratio almost around 19. Undervalued stock right now. Okay, despite it has gone up a little bit. If you look at the chart right here, you'll see it has gone up from 7th April when it was trading at 140 area. There is a risk of again falling into 140 area. Okay, there is a risk of coming back to this area, but overall it's bullish. I would not be worried about 140 area on Google. I'll be happy to buy and continue trading towards 269. But I'll be going with the OTM covered call on this one. Buy the share, sell the OTM covered call bi-weekly, and you make the difference as well as the premium on this one. So perfect stock, continue trading. This is the kind of stock, whether Amazon or Google, you want to continue trading. These kind of stock has a strong fundamental value. You don't lose money in these kind of stocks. Only thing you may go in loss for a few weeks. Let's say the stock drops 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you are red, and then you come back into green area. So Google is good to buy. Continue trading to 69.70 area. Moving forward, HIMS. All right, this is what we are looking at. 40.55. We call the bottom precise at the bottom. This one right here. What we are looking. There is a lot of upside on this one. This is not going to drop. Okay, so we are looking for first price target towards GameStop. Let me give you that. We are holding the position. We'll continue trading GameStop. All right, so here we go on GameStop. All right, so we are looking to close all our position at 59.51. So 59.51 is the price target. That's the area that will be closing our position. 59.51, right in this area, right here. Okay, right in this area. The bottom of the top candle, right in this area. So 59.51, mark your calendar for this one. 59.51, or your set the price target on a limit order. 59.51, we are out of GameStop. Okay, and sorry, I got mixed up. HIMS I'm talking about. So the stock is HIMS I'm talking about, HIMS and her. So HIMS 59.51. This is the area that will be exiting all our position on the HIMS. Okay, hold on. I got things mixed up today. Okay, yeah. All right, 59.51 will be closing all position on the HIMS. So right now it's trading at 50.85. So still there is another $8 to $9 upside. So once it mitigate this sell side pending order block right in this area, you see that there is a big order block, fair value gap, sorry. This fair value gap. This will be filled right here, 59.51. We'll be closing all our position in this area, and then we'll wait for the either clear breakout or the pullback in this area. Okay. So that's for the HIMS. 59.51 is the price target. Moving forward to UNH, all our 250 short put is in profit again. Price is about 9 EMA. We are bullish on this one. We have been bullish since the drop right in this area at 250 area. Okay, and we have been trading this one. We'll continue trading this for the first price target 338 and second price target 428. Some 427. 427, we are out of this stock, and then we won't be trading. Moving forward to WIX. All right, so WIX, this is the pattern we are looking at. There's a little bit more downside, and then the WIX will shoot up in this area. Okay, there is a zigzag pattern in a range bound. This particularly, if you look at this upper band right here, lower band right here. So every time it's following this multiple equal low point. Point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4 right here. So there's a little bit more downside, and then the market will stay green. Then the WIX has to cover up. WIX cannot stay right here for long enough. Okay, the WIX has to break out towards 2269 and a maximum towards 2798. So WIX will recover in next few weeks, and probably this will be the result of Q2 earning. As soon as the Q2 earning result will start coming in, the volatility will increase and the market will fluctuate a lot, because a lot of stock they get sold off at the right when they report the earning, lower the guidance. Generally in Q2, most companies lower the guidance. Remember this. The first quarter they don't do it, third quarter they don't do it, they do it on the second quarter, and that's why July, August, September are very volatile months, because that's where the market tank. Okay, so volatility has to increase moving forward in this area as soon as the Q2 earnings start coming in. Someone asked for the QuantumScape. QuantumScape, you need to be very careful what is happening right here. Okay, let me give you a little overview. Every time the stock is following a particular pattern, a falling wedge and a breakout. This falling wedge, a sharp breakout, then in a long decline in the price, then another breakout, this one. So what do you see here? The company is pre-revenue. There is no revenue in this company at all. It's a very good company. There is a hell of cash they have in hand. Financially, company is strong and they have an excellent product to develop, but it's too early. It's an innovation company. If you are looking at QuantumScape, please go and add in your retirement account, 401k, IRA, TFSA, and all this. This is not a stock that you want to trade for 2 weeks or 3 weeks down the line. You want to hold it for a few years. Okay. Probably once the company goes for a battery mass production, you can look for maybe $100, $105. That's what kind of price target you can look for. Till then, I wouldn't be very optimistic on this one. Every time it drop, I'm a buyer. Every time it jump, I will exit my position. Okay. We trade this stock continuously, but I'm not looking to hold for a long term because I don't invest for a long term investing. So max I hold for a few months. That's it. So right now I will not hold any position in this one, but yes, if it comes to 465 area, 470 area, I will buy again. So I'll wait for another $2 drop in this one, and you will see that there will be a falling wedge right here from this price, zigzag pattern like this one, like you'll see something like this kind of pattern after this breakout. Okay, so if you are in profit, exit your position unless you want to hold long. If you want to hold for 2-3 years, good enough. You can stay in this position, and there is then you should ignore the little bit of pullback in this. Okay, moving forward, let's go to Bitcoin. That's something interesting here. Okay, we have been in this channel, which is also working as a bull flag as well as the wave 2 of the pattern. Will the Bitcoin break out? Yes, it will break out like hell this time. People have no idea how high this will break out. Let's look at this channel, this one. This is what we are looking at. This is the pole of the flag, and this is the flag. But is it breaking out right here? No, there is one more drop left because it's a zigzag pattern. So if you look at this one, let me give you that. So from this point to down, up, third, fourth, fifth, right in this area. I'm looking for Bitcoin to pull back once into 94 area and retest 200 EMA. Since the breakout, there has been no retest. So if it comes to 94 area, this is where I'm expecting a breakout. And what breakout I'm looking for? $139,000, $171,000. Because this will be the wave 3. The next breakout will be wave 3. And wave 3 is the biggest and the fastest breakout. A lot of people will miss this. Okay. So it's not everybody will be able to catch the bottom at 94, 95 area. But once it's breakout, there is no stop on this train. It's straight 139 and 171. This is what I'm looking upside. Okay, but let's look at something interesting. Why it's not breaking out so far? It has been in this range for enough long, like since 22nd of May. Why it's not breaking out? Institution adoption is going on crazy. A lot of new companies are buying, like 21st Capital or Meta Planet or Strategy. They're continuously buying. What's going on here? Why after such a demand, the Bitcoin is not going up? The problem is the miner and the exchanges. What they are doing, they are offloading their Bitcoin position. Why they are offloading? Today, if you look at how much does it cost to mine one Bitcoin, and the price comes to $96,534. So every Bitcoin you need to mine, you have expenses of $96,534. So right now, all the miner and all the exchanges, those who are holding the Bitcoin, are in profit, and they need cash to run the show. Otherwise, there will be a loss-making company. So what they are doing, exchange and the miner are offloading their Bitcoin more than these company like Strategy, MSTR, and Meta Planet. They can absorb the entire supply. That's the problem. So there are more seller than the buyer, despite all the institution buying, government buying, whatever is going on. It doesn't matter. There is more supply in the market. That's why it's not breaking out. But it will break out sooner or later. It will not stay here for long enough. So maximum downside, I'm looking for 94. Maximum upside, first price target 139. Second price target $171,000. Final price target for this year $193,000. It's not going to break out about $200,000. 193. It's not going to happen. Even if someone say, oh, by October will be 500,000, 1 million, it's not going to happen. Okay, because people need to look at what kind of capital inflow we need for Bitcoin to go to $100,000 and $200,000. We need another $2 to $3 trillion inflow, which is not happening right now. Billions, yes, it's possible, but trillions, it's not happening in next 3 months, 4 months. So 139, 171 maximum I'll be looking for. Okay, and there is another reason why 139. If you look at this demand right here, if you look at the repetition of structure, and if you bring it right here. Those who understand the market mimic concept, they will understand. So this is what, look, precisely it's coming right in this area, 139,000. And if you want to understand this pattern, why there's one leg up, then zigzag pattern, and then another leg up, look at this stock, NET. Do you see something similar? Leg up, down, then next leg up. Let's look at Roblox, RBLX. Very similar pattern you'll see multiple places in the market. So you see that this is what is happening. This is what the Bitcoin is about to do. So this leg up, consolidation right here in this area. And then this is what the next leg for the Bitcoin is about to happen, this one. And we are somewhere right here right now on the Bitcoin. This is what I calculate. So we are right here in this area. Okay. So one more pullback, this one, right at the 200 EMA, and the train will not stop. So this is what we are looking at. If I give you this, this is what we are looking at. So leg one down, this is what I'm expecting now, and then the leg three right here. This is the kind of breakout will happen on Bitcoin soon. Okay. So moving forward, now you understand why the Bitcoin is not shooting up right now, because there is a lot of supply. The exchanges and the miner are offloading their position. Okay, moving forward to ICP, we will continue holding our position. We are looking for a breakout towards $808.26. Okay, so good enough. There is a solid 1x amount, like 100% money to be double right in this area. We'll be holding our position. My average is 4.93. I bought at 553, then I bought it at 454, and I'm accumulating more in this area. Anytime it dropped towards 460 area, I'm buying more. Okay, I'll continue holding for the first price target 631, second price target 726, third price target 823, fourth price target 960. I'll be holding this time long. I'm not looking to trade anymore. Because, and the reason to hold this time, I've been trading this ICP here all the way for 2 months. I booked the profit almost about 20 times on this one. Okay, without a single failure, 20 trade is in profit. We have closed. Why I'm looking to hold this time is all because of the Bitcoin breakout. Sooner or later, the Bitcoin will break out, and entire crypto market will. It's a domino effect. It's not just ICP is very bullish or Cardano is very bullish. If the Bitcoin shoot up, everything will follow it sooner or later. Okay, so that's we don't want to miss the train this time. So we want to hold all our position for the Bitcoin to break out. So this is what ICP is. ADA, Cardano, let's go to here. We are in profit. Our buy was 0.51. We are still in profit. We are looking for first price target. If you look at why we are holding this one right here, we are in the falling wedge, and the down this down channel of the falling wedge is always works as a support line. So what we are looking at, we are looking for a bounce from the support line right here on this one, 22nd of June. So the price is in bullish momentum, will continue going to 0.6872. This is the area that we'll be monitoring, which is the neckline of the falling wedge. So this will be the area whether it will make or break. If it break out straight, we are going for 86 cents. Sell side order block right here, previous high. If it fails here, this is the area. As soon as we have the bearish divergence in this area and it fail, we will exit our position and then wait for the retracement further down. And then, so wave 1, 2, retracement of this half, 0.5, and then the wave 3 will go to 86. Eventually, it will go to 0.86 cent. Nothing can stop it. Only question is whether it will go in one go or it will go to 72, then retrace, and then go to 86. So if we have a bearish divergence in this area at 72 area, then we'll be exiting our position or buy a little cheaper around 65 area right in this area, and then exit all point at 86 and then above. Okay, so this is the price target we are looking at. Moving forward again on Solana, we are in profit. We bought it at 142. We'll continue holding our position for Solana. We are holding on a daily time frame, so it will take few weeks. Okay, 4 to 6 weeks. So the first exit, I'm looking for 187 minimum. I'm not dropping any Solana token before 187.73. This is what I'm looking at. Above the previous high, we'll take down this point and then pull back. Okay, so this is the area that I'm looking at. This is the area that I'm looking at, 187.73. I'll be holding all Solana until this point. And moving forward to XRP, very important. Everybody thinks this will go to $10,000, except me, okay? So if you are trading Solana, trying to become millionaire, please exit your position. There is no point here. You are not becoming millionaire from XRP. Forget about this. Clear. I can't be more clear than this one, okay? This is not going. How high it can go? Yes, it can go to $5.13. I already tweeted back in February 20 or 22nd is my tweet on stock tweets. This is going to 5.13 cents. Downside 161. Do I have a position? No, I don't have. I want to have a position in this one, but I do not want to pay more than 161. This the order blocker right here, the institution buy right in this area. Okay, I'm looking for 166.170. That's the area that I will add a position, and I will exit all my position at 513. I will not be trading after 513. You have to be very stubborn when it comes to trading. Very, very stubborn. This is not something to be greedy about, and I'll cover a few other stocks that I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so 513 I'll be out of XRP. So let's look at this one stock, NET. How can someone trade this stock? How can someone even look at this chart? So this leg up, let me show you what I'm looking at. So bull run started right here, this one, and look, your demand has completed. This has nothing else other than dropping back into 124, 125 area. Net, Cloudflare, despite all this bull run, a lot of people are excited to buy and thinking it will go to 300, 500, or maybe even 1,000. I don't know where do they get this kind of price target. This has only one way, and that is downside towards 124 to 135 area. This is where the Fibonacci retracement area, golden zone. This is where it's coming. And why it's coming here? Look at the 200 EMA right in this area. 200 EMA support. It will bounce back to 200 EMA and then continue upwards. So this has taken the higher high point, means we are right in the bull trap. This is where the bull trap happens. After the previous high, the bull trap is always found after the previous high, because the institution want you to think, oh, we have taken down the previous high. Now we are in a bull run and we are going to continue this. No, this is where they want to trap you. Okay. So Cloudflare, big no. Do not even look at the chart. CRWT, similar situation. Okay. CrowdStrike, similar situation. The demand has completed out of this. Okay, again looking for 394, 370 area. CRCL, I shorted this stock at 273, and look what happened. 273, I took the short position. I clearly mentioned we are going to 145.30. Where we are, 180. This is what happens. What people fail to recognize, the bull run is over. Okay, it's 180. It's going to 145.73. There is another $40 drop on CRCL. You should not even be looking at buying at this kind of position. Another one, Roblox. So Roblox, look at this one. What is happening right here? The demand has completed. So this has only one way, which is $74. So right now it's trading at $105. Okay, coming back from $74 to $62. This is where it's heading. People won't agree right now. Right now, if I tell someone, oh, this will drop to $74, there's a lot of excuses they will have. No, this is the best company. This is that. It's a future. It's blah, blah, blah. They'll have a lot of story. But no, this is not how it works. What happened to NVIDIA when it was trading at 14 P ratio? From 160 back to $90. Do you think the NVIDIA had done something wrong? It was still a strong, fundamentally company to trade. Every single person on the planet was buying NVIDIA at 160. But this is how market works. Market works. Market doesn't care about fundamental. What market cares about, the money in and out, liquidity grab. And if the stock is here, there is no liquidity grab. Liquidity grab is right here, $62. Okay, so between 74 to 62. What will happen? When the price drop to $74, everybody will start buying put. And that's what the institution want. You start buying the put and they will grab the premium right in this area. And they'll be shorting the put right in this area, 74 to 62 area. Because right now, people are bullish. So no one is buying put. All right. So if no one is buying put, what people are buying? Retail investors, they're buying calls, and institution is selling you the call right in this area. Right at the bottom, the institution will be selling put, and the retail investor will be buying put. Whatever the retail investor is doing, the institution is doing opposite. That's how you look at the markets. Okay. If the price is going up, means this is being brought to this point that you feel FOMO and greed, and you buy at the top, so the institution start dumping it. Okay, so this is how market works. It takes time to understand the psychology. All right, so no other stock to cover today. That's all. Apple, we have a position. Apple, we can trade. Yeah, you can continue trading Apple as well. And AMD, the last one I'll cover. Okay, AMD will continue holding our position. We have been holding since October. This is the only stock that we were stuck in this year. We'll continue holding 156 area, 157 area to 173. This is the area. Exit your position as fast as possible right here. Even if you have a wick liquidity swap, you must exit in this area, 160, 65 area. Exit your position and never trade this shit again. I will not be trading AMD for my life, I'm telling you. Okay, I'm done with this. So doesn't matter, it goes to $1,000, it's a millionaire maker company, I don't care. It's too slow, too slow. We need volatility in the stock to make money. And that's the reason. Once I'm out at this position right here, point of control line at 159, 160 area, I'm out and I'm out. And this stock will be off my watch list. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any comment or question, you can put in the comment box and I'll cover the ticker symbol tomorrow. I'll see the Discord member in the Discord with more price trade. We'll be trading Tesla. We'll be trading, continue trading on HIMS. Will continue trading GME, UNH, and SMCI will be looking for an exit. Thanks. Bye.